Have you ever been stuck with a tricky JavaScript error or struggled with a problem in your code? And want to solve it in an instant? So well, get ready to have your mind blown. Because today, your wish comes true. Let me introduce you to the ultimate coding companion, Github Copilot. And it's available right here in your VS Code. Let's quickly talk about what GitHub Copilot is. It's an AI-powered coding assistant built by GitHub and OpenAI. Think of it as your personal coding superhero. It's there to suggest, complete, and even debug your code. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Copilot can help you save time, learn new techniques, and write better code. Here's how you can set it up. First, you'll need to sign in with your GitHub account. Don't worry, it's super easy. Open VS Code. If you've already signed in, like I have, you're good to go. If not, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner of VS Code and select Sign in to GitHub. This will open a browser window asking for your GitHub login details. Enter your username and password, and voila, you're signed in. Now, if you don't have a GitHub account yet, no problem. Just head over to github.com, click and sign up, and follow the simple steps. All you'll need is an email address and a username. Once your account is set up, you're ready to use it with VS Code. Next, let's activate Copilot. Look for the Copilot icon in the top right corner of VS Code, near the search bar. Click it, and since you're already signed into GitHub, Copilot will activate automatically. Now comes the fun part, trying it out. Open any file, like a JavaScript or Python file, and start typing a comment describing what you want. For example, type function to calculate the area of a circle. In seconds, Copilot will suggest a complete function. If it looks good, press Tab to accept it. If not, no worries, keep trying, and Copilot will refine its suggestions. You can even describe more complex tasks in detail. For instance, ask it to write a function to fetch weather data from an API and display it. Copilot will work its magic and generate the code for you. What if something goes wrong? To get the best results, use detailed comments. The more context you give, the better Copilot suggestions will be. And that's it. You're now ready to use GitHub Copilot for free in VS Code.